All right, today is October 6th. It's Tuesday. I'm going to go over what we did today in class. We continue to work on lesson 10 student task statements. So if you can take that out, you can either put this on your iPad or we were doing it also in our notebook. Remember, we finished this yesterday. So in this one, what we want to do is we want to put the correct line segment for the height with the base. So again, just kind of like what we did yesterday, we want to make sure we put the height with the opposite vortex and along the base, and it's 90 degrees perpendicular. So on A, this is the opposite vertex, right? That's the opposite vertex because here's the base. This is the vertex being touched. There's only one vertex that's not being touched. And then it's a 90-degree angle. So we draw a line segment like this, and then we draw a perpendicular like that. Okay? So here on B, so this is the base right here. This is the vertex touched. This is the vertex touched. Which one is not being touched? This one right here. So that's the opposite vertex. So then a 90-degree angle. Now it might not look like it because we're kind of upside down, but we're going to do the best we can and do a 90-degree angle. So like that. All right. Try to do C, D, E, and F. Pause it, and then when you're done, try to guess at least. Make an effort, and then unpause it. Okay. All right. So it's all about trying, guys. As long as you try and try to figure it out, not just not even pause it and just looking at the answers. You're not going to learn anything. We learn from our mistakes. I've been saying that since the first day of school. All right. So that's the opposite vertex. So if you slant your head a little bit, you can try to do it the best you can. Okay, it's not going to be perfect, but you kind of get the idea. And it's a 90-degree angle. Okay. D is kind of easy already because that's the opposite vertex right here. And we already kind of have, it's kind of already done for us. There it is. E, this is the opposite vertex. And then going straight down. Like that. And then right here for F, that's the opposite vertex. And then there you go. So if you got at least two of those right, then that's good. All right, give yourself a hand. Woo! If you did that. Okay? All right. Any questions? Let me know. All right, and then we also did this part right here. So 10-3, for each triangle, identify and label base and height. We're not doing C or D. So label and identify the base and height. So this is the base, and this is the height. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the height. So remember, define area is base times height divided by 2, right? Divide by 2. So what is 9 times 5? 9 times 5 is 45. And then 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. So 22.5 units. So go ahead and try to do B. So label it and then put the units. You want to pause it and try to do that? Okay, this is the base. So the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. And then the height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So height is 8. So 8 times 11 is 88. 88 divided by 4. 4. 88 divided by 2 is 44. All right, so 44 square units. Okay. Read the lesson summary. Read the lesson summary. It just basically said that the height of a triangle is a perpendicular segment. It has to be 90 degrees, and it has to be the base and the opposite vertex, which we did. And then they were telling you that you can use a note card or a ruler for a straight edge to figure this out. So you don't really have to. I mean, we've eyeballed it, but that's fine. Okay. So here's the opposite vertex. Here's the base. So we just put a line underneath here. So kind of like this, but using a ruler. Okay. Homework is to do 1, 2, and 3. Skip number 4. And then either choose doing 5 or 6. So either choose 5 or 6 to do. Don't do both. Choose 5 or 6 to do. And then 1, 2, and 3. Skip number 4. So after we're done with that, we also talked about history and geography. So you need to go on McGraw-Hill, read history and geography, and read the 5 themes of geography for homework. Okay? It's not that long. The 5 themes of geography. Okay? So math, and then the homework for social studies is read this part of the text. All right? Again, questions, let me know. See me at 2 o'clock. Have a good day. Thanks.